Here's how to check if your iPhone still happens to be under warranty or not. Welcome to Fox Tech, everyone, and let's get started with the process right away. There are several methods to check your iPhone's warranty status. The first method is through your iPhone's settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then navigate to General and tap on About. Here you will find various details about your device, including the serial number. Look for the warranty information under the serial number section. This will show your coverage details such as the limited warranty and any AppleCare options you might have. This method is quick and gives you a direct view of your warranty status right on your device. If you prefer to use a web browser, you can check your warranty status using your iPhone's serial number. First, copy the serial number from the Settings Pricing, General, Ease About section on your iPhone. Next, open your web browser and search for Apple Check Coverage. Click on the link that leads you to Apple's Check Your Service and Support Coverage page. Paste the serial number into the provided field and complete the verification code process. After clicking Continue, you will see the warranty and service coverage details for your device. This method is useful if you need a more detailed view or need to print the information. Another method to check your warranty status is by contacting Apple support directly. If you don't have access to your Apple ID or the serial number, you can visit an Apple store or contact Apple customer service. Make sure to have your original receipt handy, as it may be required to verify your purchase. Apple support can help you determine the warranty status of your device and provide any additional information you may need. It's also important to know what happens if you are curious about an iPhone that hasn't been activated yet. If your iPhone's warranty status indicates that it is unactivated, this means the warranty hasn't started yet. The warranty for iOS devices and Macs begins when the device is activated for the first time. So, if you have a brand new iPhone that hasn't been set up, the warranty period will commence once you turn it on and complete the activation process. These methods provide reliable ways to check if your iPhone is still under warranty. Knowing this information can save you from unexpected repair costs and ensure that your device is always protected. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you guys later.